this rain. I kind of like this weather.
No, it's not bad. I mean, it's gloomy. Yes, it's not going to last forever, and we're not getting a deluge of rain where flooding is an issue. It's kind of a low-end threat for any minor street flooding.
But what about tomorrow?
Well, it's going to continue overnight and into tomorrow, but thankfully the rainfall rates, rainfall totals don't look to be all that high. So kind of a steady light rainfall. We definitely need a lot more, but we'll take it in small doses, and we're getting some of that light to moderate rain at the moment, maybe a few pockets of some slightly heavier showers, but for the most part it's been a fairly light, steady rain, which with that Gulf low still well offshore will continue through the overnight and into much of the day tomorrow. Now our model I was showing you is indicating maybe some breaks in the rainfall, certainly a wet night overnight, but maybe some breaks as we get the day started tomorrow. We'll see if the timing really holds out, and then more development as that low will still be down to our south during the day tomorrow, and then finally starting to taper off probably late Tuesday night, more so into early Wednesday, and still may have a few pop-up showers kind of on the wraparound side from this low during the day Wednesday, but not nearly as high rain coverage on Wednesday, and then continuing to dry out as we head into Thursday and Friday. One other issue with the low and its position is we do have a strong northeasterly wind. If we do at times pick up a little bit more of an easterly component, that could send some of our areas highlighted in yellow here for some coastal flooding. The coastal flood warning is in effect through Wednesday night. Those parishes and counties highlighted in green, coastal flood advisory. Because of the position and the wind direction, probably won't be as much of an issue, but with that water kind of piling up along all of these shorelines, we will likely see some higher water levels, especially at high tide. Temperatures, though, at the moment, 50s and low 60s. If nothing else, it really is helping to keep us much cooler today. Did briefly get up to 66 degrees, but look at that time, 1:26. So it was before any of the rainfall got started. Once the rainfall moved in, that was about it. Temperatures stayed upper 50s and lower 60s, or I should say dropped to the upper 50s and low 60s. Low clouds, but no fog. This is just kind of a low cloud deck, and our temperature currently is at 63 with obviously high humidity with all the rainfall around. We'll stay rainy overnight tonight and for much of the day on Tuesday. Then the rain gone early Wednesday. May still see some pop-up scattered showers during the day, but the bulk of the rainfall will be moving on. And then we also have a cold front on the way for this weekend, which will help to clear us out and also bring our temperatures down a little bit. Here's the culprit. Big upper level low. That is what is developing the surface low over the Gulf waters. As this little feature continues moving to the east, it actually is thankful it is not position farther north. Models had been doing a real difficult time as of late last week and even early this weekend of exactly where that surface low would go. It is offshore. That's where the more intense rainfall is, and also the real risk of any severe weather. Don't want to have to deal with any of that. Don't want to have to deal with any flooding. And thankfully, that looks to stay just south of our coastline as we head into the day tomorrow. As the low continues pushing off to the east, it will start to take the bulk of the rainfall with it. And again, Wednesday may see some kind of wraparound moisture, keeping our rain chances spotty to scattered. Rain chances, or rain coverage, I should say, is at about 100%. Rainfall totals have been decreasing a little bit. Models on the high end, 1 inch, mainly from the river parishes, North Shore, Florida parishes, and even down the bayou, and then a little closer to the center of that low, 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. At the trend we're going right now, unless the intensities start picking up, we're probably not even going to see that much, as most locations have only seen about 2/10 of an inch of rainfall. So we'll see where we end up, but our rainfall deficit for the month is still over an inch below average, but for the year, we're nearing 30 inches below normal. We'll keep our rain chances on the high side tonight and tomorrow, about 100% coverage. Then they'll start tapering off by Wednesday, drier Thursday, Friday. Weak front moves through. Doesn't look like we're going to get any rainfall with this one, but note our morning low temperatures will start dropping, and then it does look like by late Monday into Tuesday of next week, another storm system approaches and brings us another chance of rain before Thanksgiving.